radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rosenberg, Katy, Richmond, Brookshire, Pecan Grove, Southwestern Eldridge, or West Oaks, Meadville, Fallshear, Pleak, Simonton, Fairchilds, Pattison, Cinco Ranch, Weston Lakes, Coolings, New Territory, and Greatwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
I did a video a couple of days ago thinking it wasn't going to be that bad. We just got hit pretty bad to the point that I had to evacuate my house, and I'm staying with Vicentes because his house is a little over his house is a little higher than mine. But yeah, look at this. I mean, it's insane. Shit. So we really don't know what's going to happen. All my employees are blowing my phone because they are trapped. A couple of them. I mean, even if I try to get to them, there's no way I'm going to get to them because they're in this. They opened up two gates last night for the reservoirs, and it's just this thing is out of. It's crazy. It's crazy. I hope everybody's okay out there because, dude, you went that way. We're just driving around Vicentes' neighborhood because we're kind of gathering some intel just in case we got to get out. It's not flooding that bad. Last night when I came, I drove, was it 11:30? 11:30. It was pretty bad. It was scary. I was literally driving on top of the sidewalk to avoid water. I was driving with my two kids, and it was very, very scary.
That's where you're gonna see the retention pond.
So we're checking this retention pond. Holy!
Stay here on the far side.
Wow!
Look at how fast it's running.
That is no good at all.
You see how it's cresting.
And that's
cresting on the water.
That's not even the freaking bayou. That's just a retention pond. That's a crazy part of it.
It's cresting.
The Buffalo Bayou. That's the one that is collecting this water.
This water's going out this way. That's good. That's good. See that water's going out this way?
Oh my god, dude.
The water's going out.
We were supposed to get a break today, but the hurricane kind of instead of going north, it kept spinning right on top of us. So that's gonna be interesting. We're gonna get a lot more rain. So just we'll see. Yeah, there's this lady that works with me. She's trapped in her house. She was panicking, and she just called me to see if we can go rescue the family and everyone. But we're trying to get a boat. If we can get a boat, I can definitely go get them out. It's just we got a very small window, and it's 12, man. I thought it was like 5 o'clock. So.
Good thing for my neighborhood, this is draining off. It's coming this way.
I mean, the system is pretty good. The system is
get a shot.
It drains pretty fast. The problem is it's not fast enough. You see, it's already.
It's flowing that way.
Look at that, man. And like I said, right now Harvey is sitting on top of us, spinning. So we probably got a day or two of rain. I don't know what's gonna happen, man.
High winds are not helping it.
There's probably thousands of people like just trapped. You're gonna see. I mean, it's a little worse than when I came. I came about 3 hours ago. This is gonna go. So my neighbor told me that the water was almost all the way to the door, which I don't think is gonna go all the way up there. Let me call because I don't even know how recent it is. Like my neighborhood is pretty bad. I'm literally driving about knee high. So how about? there's a bunch of people out here with boats, so we're here to help. Those trucks been working all day to get people out. Helping that truck for about a couple hours, and there's hundreds of people still in that neighborhood, and they say they'll clear this one with the boats. So I saw a bunch of airboats going that way. I don't know, and the water is racing, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I talked to one of the guys and he told me he's not moving, he's going nowhere. This is what I used to when I go ride my bike. So you see, it's going up little by little. We're just tying it up. Those guys over there have been helping all day long, and they're, I mean, yeah. This truck today, I think they got about 700 people out. Just this truck.
My husband wanted to stay, and I think they said there was only one other person trying to decide. Thank you,
They got people trying to help out with their jet skis. I mean, everything they can do to help is fine. This guy on the tractor, he's been doing a hell of a good job. He's been working since early this morning. He's helping like crazy, pulling boats in and out. Thank you. Alright guys, we're going towards La Porte. We got a small crew here put together. We got a couple of jet skis and a canoe. We've heard on the radio that there's people crying for help. There's someone heard on the radio, a little kid and a sick guy. So where everybody's trying to help on Facebook and Instagram. We got guys like this that they're actually trying to do something for you know, for the city. So we're going towards the danger zone, and I mean, we're just gonna try to get people out, and we're gathering some intel from a couple of sources, and they're saying out there is the real danger zone right now, because they need boats out there. This area right here, that's our Memorial. It's all flooded, but I guess they already got everyone out of there, so we're just going. It's about an hour from here. And we hope we get there before night and start getting people out of their houses.
Half a mile I-10 east.
Yeah, so we'll see y'all later. So we've been trying to get out of what's this, Baytown?
Yeah.
For the last couple hours. It's just impossible. We've heard on the radio there's stuff, man. That's just, remember that big trailer?
Yeah.
We're just going around in circles. But there's no way out. I mean, there's no way out. Just don't stop.
Get up to the
How's it look to the right? How's it look to the right?
No, dude, that guy's just. There's the media, I think.
truck does. Watch that truck.
Just pull up right here. But we're driving, and it's this is the freeway, and it's about what, a foot and a half deep. We're basically following this convoy of 18-wheelers and this big 3500. But I guess we just reached the area, and it don't look it ain't good at all. We've been hearing on the radio that there have been hundreds of people still need help out there. They were evacuating a hotel with at least 300 people. So we're going across this. What's the name of this town?
Am I? Yeah. Yes.
So it's
Yeah, you make it. Hang left.
like everybody's.
You got grass 3 feet to your left, but stay straight just like you are. You'll be alright.
So we got the big boys here.
Is that you were talking earlier, but I was dispatching that.
We're just checking. Apparently, there's nobody in the car. It's crazy.
Aquí fue.
Oh fuck.
Ay, güey.
Aquí fue.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Puta.
Listen to that.
That is fucking scary, bro. Every time we go, big 18-wheeler pass by, says they cannot stop. We get moved like a freaking tiny little boat. We just get. You go.
Take it. Go a little higher. Get it off the roses. Ah.
That is a big flag. Alright, we almost lost Jack, but good job, man. And now we got the Texas flag.